is a beautiful morning here. It is a new day. I have woken up very early and now I am on my morning walk. Today I am gonna show you a beautiful flower which is blooming here in our village near the tea garden, and those flowers are looking so beautiful. They are so magical and I would like to show you. This is the flower which I am talking about. This flower is known as Hibiscus Mutabilis, also known cotton flower. It looks like cotton, soft, so fluffy. Friends, the amazing thing is that they change their colors 3 times during the day. Now it's morning and the color is like white, and after some time by noon the color will become pink, and by the evening the color will change into deep red. That's why I call this flower magical. Isn't that amazing? These things, the mutation happens because of the sunlight and the temperature during the day. You can see behind me the plant. There are lots of flowers blooming now. They are so beautiful, giving beauty to these surrounding. It is grown up here near the tea garden. It is in our village. And I also see lots of women come and collect these flowers, maybe for their worship. Friends, these flowers also invite so many butterflies, bees. They are seen blooming in the late summer or in the autumn. Now it is autumn and it is a beautiful autumnal morning here. This is how I practice my English. Whatever you see, just try to describe in English. It is an amazing way of improving your communication. Believe me, I have been doing this for couple of months, and each video teaches me a lot. If there is a will, there is a way. Never give up. Spend some time, at least 15 to 20 minutes on your speaking to become fluent in this language. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. See you in my next vlog very soon. Bye bye.